Alright, 2007 Honda Odyssey. I'll walk you guys through replacing the headlight. This is the new one. That's the old one. So obviously you have to remove the front bumper, but it's very easy. So to remove the front bumper, you come over here and you push this in the side. Then you have a Phillips head screw right there that you need to take off. Then you come down here and you'll have a 10mm. Then you do the same on the other side. And then right at the bottom you have this cover that you'll have little plastic clips you need to remove. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take that off. Then you'll have this piece like right here. It's just got plastic clips on it too that you need to take off. Once you take that off, the whole bumper should come off. Then you have all the room to work on it. Now to remove the headlight, you have one. You come over here. 2. These are all 10mm. 3. 4. And then you have this clip right here. Then the whole thing comes off. And then just disconnect the wiring harnesses. And then if you look at the bottom, there's another 10mm right there. So this metal bracket, you need to put it on the new headlight. Like this one. Then put everything back in. Put the bumper back on. That's it. Very easy.